Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange and customize your home screen in the REDMI Note 12 Pro Plus. So to start, if you open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the empty place on the home screen, not on a widget like here, just on the empty place. And as you can see, now we have a Google home screen settings. So tap on the gear icon, and the first one is transition effect. This is an effect when you're swiping the pages on your home screen. So if you want to preview anyone, just tap on it and choose your desired one. Click done, and that's it. The next one is home screen layout. If you want to change the amount of the application in the row and in the columns, just select 4 to 6 or 5 to 6. Okay, now we can go to the more, and how you can see there we have a -1 screen. This is the screen on the left side, and you can enable here a Google Discover with the Google Newsfeed, Google search bar. You can also add an upvote, or just switch it off and just delete the -1 screen. You can also change the animation speed to make it more faster, the system navigation to change between the buttons and gestures, and the last one, the icon size, just adjust it to your needs by this little slider in this place. Okay, now we can go to the widgets. If you want to add any widget, just hold it and drop into empty place. That's just it. Click accept. If you want to remove it, just hold the finger again and choose remove. If you want to make any folder, just hold the name up, drop onto another, and now we have a folder. If you want to change the name, click here. If you want to delete this folder, just take out all of the apps from it to the home screen back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.